All right, let's dive right into this explainer on mastering Docker from the ground up. The most dreaded phrase in software: spending days setting up environments? Never again. Seriously. Think of Docker like a perfect video game emulator. It literally guarantees your code runs identically anywhere. See, unlike bulky virtual machines taking minutes to boot, containers launch in milliseconds using just megabytes. Okay, crucial terminology here. An image is basically your blueprint, while the container is the actual running instance. Now for rookie mistakes. Please, relying on the generic latest tag can absolutely break your production apps. Another huge mistake? Using bloated base images like Ubuntu. They just drain disk space and slow deployments down. Instead, definitely use .docker ignore files, switch to lightweight Alpine images, and embrace multi-stage builds. Check this out. Multi-stage builds actually shrank a .NET image down to just 229 megabytes. Step 1, use a bulky SDK image to compile. Step 2, copy those artifacts into a lean runtime image. So, let's talk security. Containers usually default to running as root, which is a massive risk if attackers escape. You gotta lock it down, use the user directive for non-root access, and drop those unnecessary kernel capabilities. Also, you should continuously scan your images for vulnerabilities and misconfigurations using the awesome open-source Trivi Scanner. And please, never hardcode API keys directly into your images. If pushed publicly, they're literally exposed forever. Plus, without strict CPU and memory limits, one single runaway container could crash your entire host system. Keep in mind, data stored inside a container just vanishes when removed. You really need persistent storage. To stop data loss, you've got to use named volumes or bind mounts to keep those databases completely safe. Now, to orchestrate multiple containers smoothly, Docker Compose lets you configure the whole shebang in one YAML file. And with a simple Docker Compose down, you can cleanly stop and remove all connected containers and networks. So audit your workloads today. Are your containers truly stateless or just bulky VMs waiting to be hacked?